I got 4 gravid females. And this is a culprit that got 2 of them pregnant up on top of the hide. Flash my albino corn snake. This is a breeding project I've always wanted to have with the reduced pattern ball pythons. But it's so hard to find anybody else that has them with a greatly reduced pattern like she is. This is Ginger, my oldest girl. But it's a breeding project I've always wanted to have, and I just can't find the males that I need to have it. And this is Ginger. She's huge. She's well over 5 feet. She has a greatly reduced pattern. Her colors are even different from most ball pythons' colors are. I really love to have a breeding project with her. Have her have some babies before she passes away. She's never bred before. Got her as a baby. Well, young snake, not a baby per se, but something I've always wanted to do is have these breed. Have her breed with a reduced pattern male and see what comes from it. I'm out here working in the snake room today. The sun's beaming, it's still cold as crap, but that's New York for you. I never get bored. I'm not getting bored at all during this virus thing because I live the same life now that I did before we had the virus. I've always been a homebody and enjoyed spending time with my snakes. So my lifestyle hasn't changed any at all. I just wish I could. If anybody knows anyone that has any reduced pattern ball pythons, males, could you please send me their information or a link to the people, because I really would love to buy a male to breed with Ginger. She's absolutely gorgeous. She's well over 5 feet. Great eater. Right now she's full of egg follicles. I feel bad because I can't breed her. I could breed her to Tipper, my normal male, but she beats him up every time I put them together. She doesn't want anything to do with him. She won't let him breed with her. She just whoops his butt all over the place. I can't even have them out together because she is so jealous of him. She won't even let me share him. If he comes over to me and I'm holding her, she'll go right after him and whoop his butt out in the yard even. So I can't even bring them out together in the yard because she's so possessive of people. But yeah, she's a real sweet girl. I just wish I could breed her. He was in critical condition when I got him. He's got beautiful patterns and colors, but she just whoops his butt every time I put them together. I don't know what her issue is with him, but she will not accept him as a mate. And she makes it well known. She beats him up really bad. He's over 5 feet too. All my snakes are big for what they are because they get a lot of activities and exercise, but I really would love to breed Ginger, my greatly reduced pattern female. You can see a difference in the colors. This is the normal Tipper. And this is my reduced pattern. Oop, almost dropped my camera again. I'm good at that. But look at the difference in the colors of Ginger, my reduced pattern female, and Tipper, my normal ball python. Big difference in colors and tones. Yeah. This girl's pregnant. This is Opal, one of Tawny's babies from 3 years ago. She's pregnant by Flash, my albino male corn snake. Tawny, her mother, is pregnant again by Flash, the same snake, my albino corn snake. So yeah, I'm out here. Hi! What are you doing? What are you doing, Opal? Huh? What are you doing? I'm throwing food. She probably won't eat because she locked up with my albino male. But I'll try it anyway, just 'cause. I always offer, even if they turn it down, because I've got other snakes that'll eat what they don't eat. Hi, Opal. Hi, pretty girl. What are you doing? Hi, Opal. I love corn snakes. They're really hyper. They're not one that'll sit down with you and chill out like a ball python will, but they're beautiful snakes. I love their energy levels. They're always on the go. That better I turn the stereo off so your cage isn't vibrating anymore. This guy over here is mad at me. He's in the corner pouting because I wouldn't let him out while I'm out here working today. Grumpy's grumpy. Yeah, there's Tipper. His colors are beautiful and his patterns are too, but she just doesn't want anything to do with him. Ginger doesn't.